cut the cameras. No time for all that intro stuff. Let's get right into the video.
Hey, this is my problem, nobody solve it. You can keep hating, I'm popping regardless. You wanna feel it like Megan Thee Stallion. Don't want your nigga cause I want his daddy. I like to switch up my style every week. I gotta switch up my hair every day.
Hey people, what's good, what's poppin'? It's your girl Gina, G, your A, Goa, G, Una, G, money, G, whatever, G, everything. And today I'm coming to you with a quick video. I'm telling you, if this video is not under 2 minutes, still like the video. This video was kind of unplanned, like I didn't really have it in the plan or anything. If not, I would have included it in my last video about Arabella hair. The next thing you're gonna see is horrifying. Scary, right? And today I'm hosting a giveaway. Giveaway. It's probably Mother's Day for people watching in England. If you're in different countries, I don't know if it's Mother's Day, but yeah, I'm literally here to quickly tell you the rules of the giveaway, how you can enter, and when the giveaway starts and ends. So number one, the giveaway starts today and ends on the 31st of March. I mean, in this climate and economy that we're in now with the word, but I just thought spread a little positivity. I've been really grateful to people obviously who have been supporting me recently, so I just want to give to you. And on top of that, Arabella is celebrating their 2nd year anniversary, so why not? Rules of this giveaway, let me get my phone because there are a few rules and I ain't got them in my head, child, okay? So number one, of course, if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also make sure you type in Arabella Hair on YouTube and subscribe to their channel as well. Second rule, make sure you follow us both on Instagram as well. So my name is Ginaobiallison on Instagram. I'm gonna put that here, and the same thing with Arabella. I'm gonna put their Instagram here. Make sure you follow them on Instagram because we will also be checking, okay? So what I also want you to do is go on the post on Instagram on my page and make sure you tag 3 of your friends in the comment with the number of the hair that you like. This is where some people are gonna get confused. I'm gonna have a link in my bio in the description box here where when you click on it, it would have, I think there's like 5 different options or something. So you just click on it, press the one that you like. So let's say you like the curly hair one, you click on it, curly hair is option 3 or whatever. Ooh, I like option 3, tag Linda, Mary, and Karen. Okay? So that's basically it, guys. All you have to do is literally subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Arabella's hair channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you follow Arabella Hair on Instagram. Make sure you click the link and choose which hair you like. Comment the number and tag 3 of your friends with it. So I know you want to know what the prize is. So of course you're gonna get hair. So the first place winner, which is only one person, is gonna get a 14-inch bob wig, already made, 180 density. The second winner, there's gonna be 3 winners, I believe, but the second winners actually get $79.99 off any wig on Arabella Hair, and the third winner, which I believe is 5 people, get $20 off Arabella Hair. Doesn't that sound good? Doesn't that sound good? Didn't I plug you? Didn't I plug you? I'm joking. Oh my god, I'm way too pumped right now. I don't know why. Yeah guys, so that's the giveaway. I hope you guys enter. I hope you guys tag your friends. If you got a sister, a cousin, a mother, a grandmother, a best friend, a girlfriend, if you're a guy watching this, make sure you tag them. So make sure you're tagging them on their Instagram. Anyway, that was it from me, guys. I hope you liked this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Make sure you enter the giveaway, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.